Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the CapCut PC interface. So this is the default interface on your CapCut PC, where these are the media player and the timeline here at the bottom. And this is like the basic tool, and this is also the tools on CapCut. If you want to change it, for example, I got this horizontal video and I want to make it bigger. So what you need to do is change the interface. You can just click on this buttons right here at the top, and then you can just click on the drop down here and choose vertical. Okay, so when you do that, you can see that the preview video will become bigger and the interface will be changed. And it will also apply if you add, for example, a landscape video. You can choose the interface that you find fit into your editing style. For example, here I'm going to go to this interface option again. Let's try the attributes. Okay, it will become like this. And let's try the media. Okay, it will become like this. So I think for the landscape video, you need to choose the default options, which is here. So that's how you can change the the interface on the CapCut PC. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.